Chapter 13 Symmetry. Students, what is symmetry? Symmetry means we could fold a picture in half such that left and right halves match each pair. And if we can find that left and right side can match equally, then we can draw a line of symmetry. So let us understand and solve more examples of symmetry. Question 1. List any 4 symmetrical objects from your home or school. So, as we have discussed about the symmetry, that what is symmetry? Objects should be divided equally half, both sides, left and right or up and down. So, we have to list 4 symmetrical objects from our home or school. The 4 symmetrical objects are, first of all, let us find from school. Blackboard. Blackboard is rectangle shape. We can equally divide blackboard. Next example, we can take tabletop. Then a pair of scissors. A pair of scissors. Scissors can be equally divided. So, there are many more examples of the symmetrical objects. Hence, we will write etc. Question number 2. For the given figure, which one is the mirror line L1 or L2? Students, these are the two mirror lines. Mirror lines means what, student? The picture is divided equally half. So, L1 and L2. Mirror line is always drawn with a dotted lines. So, we can see that L2 is equally divided into two parts. Hence, L2 is the symmetric line. Let us write answer in question 2. Solution. L2 is the mirror line. Why it is said to be mirror line? Because both sides of the lines are symmetric. Hence, L2 is the mirror line. Number 3. Identify the shapes given below. Check whether they are symmetric or not. Draw the line of symmetry as well. So, different shapes are given in question number 3. We have to identify that the shapes are whether symmetric or not. If shape is symmetric, then we have to draw the line of symmetry, that is mirror line. It is drawn with dotted line. So, let us find answers of the question. We draw the dotted line and we can find half of figure both sides left and right. Yes, so we will draw dotted line, that is known as our line of symmetry. So here we will write line of symmetry. So this is our symmetry line and this figure is symmetric. Question number B. Here also this figure you can observe carefully that whether we can draw dotted line and we can divide pictures equally both sides. Which directions we will draw? Horizontal or vertical? Children, if we draw horizontal line, then figure is not divided equally. Why? Because upper curve is different than lower one. So, if we draw vertical line, then figure is divided equally into two parts. Hence, we will draw vertical line. We will draw vertical line. And figure is divided into two parts. So, which is our line of symmetry? This is our line of symmetry. Hence, we will write line of symmetry. Number C. This is the shape given in the question. Now, let us see that from the vertical line, can we draw and we can find two pictures into two parts? If we draw vertically, then pictures cannot be divided into two parts. Let us see with horizontal line. If we draw horizontally, then also pictures is not divided into two parts. Why? Why it is not divided? Because see, if we draw horizontally, then also upper side is curve and bottom side is rectangle. So, picture is not divided equally. Hence, this shape is not symmetry. Since the shape is not symmetry, there is no line of symmetry. Question number D. this is the shape given. It's like a phone, telephone. Now if we draw vertical line, then the picture is divided into equally two parts. So the shape is symmetry, and where we will write here line of symmetry. Question number E. This is the shape given in question E. We have to find whether the shape is symmetry or not. So if we want to find shape is symmetry, let us draw vertical line. If we draw vertical line, can the shape be divided into two equal parts? No. So let's draw horizontal dotted line. So children, if we draw horizontal dotted line, the shape is divided into two parts, and that is equally half. Hence this shape is also symmetry, and this is their line of symmetry. So this is known as their line of symmetry. F, this is pentagon shape. How? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It is regular pentagon shape. So which line we will draw for line of symmetry, vertical or horizontal? If I draw horizontal, then shape is not divided equal parts. So I will draw vertical line. This way I will draw vertical line. So shape is divided into two equal parts. Hence this is line of symmetry of this shape. So students, always when you draw line of symmetry, mirror line, you have to take care that the figure is divided into two equal parts. Students, now let us write answers of the each shape. A, yes, it is symmetry. So we will write yes, it is symmetry. B, bucket one was there. Yes, that shape also is symmetry. So we will write yes, it is symmetry. We have drawn mirror line for that. Now C, in shape C, we will not able to draw symmetry because the picture was not drawn equally half parts. Hence we will write no, it is not symmetry. So we will write it is not symmetry. D, yes, it is symmetry. So we will write yes, it is symmetry. And for E, also the picture was symmetry. Hence we will write yes, it is symmetry. F, pentagon picture was there. That also is symmetry. Hence we will write yes, it is symmetry. So what can you observe, students? Except C, all the questions were symmetry.